What if everything you know, your mind, your experiences, the entire universe, is actually an expression of one infinite source? Over the next 6 minutes, we'll explore a fascinating science-backed perspective on why you are not separate from this source, but part of it. Let's start with a bold idea. What if God isn't a distant being, but rather the universe itself, the ultimate infinite source behind everything that exists? This is the basis of Pantheism, the idea that God and the universe are one. Imagine that the universe, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy, is part of a single, living consciousness. Albert Einstein said, "I believe in Spinoza's God, who reveals himself in the orderly harmony of what exists." Spinoza, the philosopher Einstein admired, believed that everything is God, that the universe itself is the divine. In this view, God isn't separate from what we see and experience. God is existence itself, manifesting through every part of it, including us. If God is the universe, the next question is, can the universe itself be aware? Here's where Panpsychism comes into play. Panpsychism is the philosophical concept that consciousness, or awareness, could be a fundamental aspect of all matter, from atoms to stars. Think about it. If every part of the universe has even the tiniest spark of awareness, then the universe as a whole might be a living, conscious entity. Neuroscientist Christoph Koch, a proponent of panpsychism, suggests that consciousness doesn't just appear in complex organisms, but might be present at a basic level throughout the universe. Ralph Waldo Emerson echoed this in his philosophy of the Oversoul, where he said, "There is one mind common to all individual men." If this is true, then we, as self-aware beings, are expressions of this universal awareness. Your mind isn't isolated from this greater consciousness. It's one part of it, like a single cell within a vast cosmic body. Let's take space and time out of the equation. If we remove the limits of space and time, what's left is pure, boundless existence, a singular consciousness that permeates everything. Quantum physics supports this idea, suggesting that at the deepest levels, particles aren't truly separate and that everything is connected in a unified field. This unified field, with no boundaries, no separations, and no divisions, represents an infinite source of awareness. In other words, God isn't out there somewhere. God is the underlying reality beyond space and time, present in every single part of the universe, including us. This means our own awareness is, in a sense, the universe experiencing itself, or God experiencing through us. When we recognize that we are part of this infinite source, we start to see that our individuality is like a wave within a vast ocean. We're each unique, yet inseparable from the larger whole. Physicist Erwin Schrödinger expressed this beautifully when he said, "The total number of minds in the universe is one." This doesn't diminish your individuality. It means your existence is part of the universe's existence, an expression of the same infinite being. Just as cells come together to create your body, individual minds like yours and mine come together as parts of this universal consciousness, the ultimate being that some would call God. Understanding that you are part of this infinite consciousness can shift your entire view of life. You are not simply in the universe is expressing itself through you. You are not just a small piece of existence, you are existence. experiencing itself from a unique perspective. So, realize this: you are part of an infinite source. You are part of the universe, and in a very real sense, you are part of God. In the next video, let's explore how heaven could be a higher plane of existence in accordance with modern scientific theories, and how our life's journey and our memories are part of what gets us there.